What's up, people? Welcome to Tech Ed. This is brand new 2026. And by the way, sorry to Jesse, when you see this video, you know you're supposed to be part of it. But now, let's get right into it. About 2 weeks ago, I stopped by at Cameras Africa, and they gave me this brand new bad boy, the Canon EOS C50, that we're about to unbox today. I know we have waited for more than 2 weeks, but that's also because we were waiting for this other amazing. This is the RF 28-70 f2. So we're going to be pairing these two together. But let's do a quick unboxing before I hand this over to the experts who can do this better than I can. So this is it. Kuna mambo mengi hapa. Warranty card. You get your usual manual. And all these amazing goodies from Canon. When I went to Cameras Africa, they said we are but amongst the first people in the KE to actually get our hands on the C50. This is it in all its amazing glory. All right. This bill looks a bit familiar. It also, if you've handled a Canon device before, this bill would look a bit familiar. It's a bit chunkier, but I mean, you got all those nice goodies that empower the magic that this camera is about to do. This is it in all its amazing glory. I mean, the experts will do the video and the review better than I can, but that's the camera right there. Let's see what else we got in the box. Definitely the charger, the battery. It uses the LP-E6P battery. So I mean, if you have other Canon devices like the R5, most probably uses the same battery. What else we have here? That's the power cord for Europe. We have the battery charger, definitely. The LP-E6E. I mean, you definitely have the strap for the camera. And this is where we should have the handle that transforms this into a cinematographer's device. I mean, my table is a bit chunky, but mutanisamehe here. It's the excitement. I mean, I can't wait to create content this year on the C50. We've been shooting mostly on the C70. That's the C70 main, and our top down is an R5. We can't wait to just add the C50 to that and see what we're gonna do, especially now. There's something we're thinking, especially as we do our full review. So that's it. You have your mic inputs. You definitely have the things to screw it in. Basically transform this into a cinematographer's handheld baby. This is the grip for the mic. All right, so that's everything you get in the box. That we don't need that. Then here is what we're gonna pair it together with. That's the Canon RF 28-70. I think we have the 24-105. It's very nice of Canon to actually include this carrying pouch. The last time I saw this carrying pouch was on the 70-200 mm that we got. So Ken usinibie bag. I know if there's somebody who's more excited than I at Tech Ed, is this guy over here. Show him this guy over here. As you can clearly see what he's holding. Glass is glass. Glass is glass. That's Ken. That's our lead editor. He's our lead creative. I mean, he's the guy behind all the magic you see, not just here, but in many other platforms. You should follow him on EDTR on his socials. So this is the 28-70. Smells new, bro. Smells new. Why? You should worship the ground this one stands on. But anyway, that's it. I mean, I said the pros will do this a bit better, but we can't wait to begin to create content on this duo. Man, the lens is thicker than the body, but this is it. It's the Canon C50 with the 28-70. We all have the 24-105. We have the 70-200. And we can't wait to create content on that. Check us out on TechEd. We are back to YouTube. We are back like we never left. Check us out as we review some of the amazing content for 2026. And you are sure we'll be shooting on one of these devices. You can let us know what you want to learn this year, because tech education, what you want to learn this year when it comes to smartphones, televisions, all these amazing tech devices. We want to get you teched so that you move from a dummy to a techie. It's a wrap from us, guys. Be sure to check us out on Instagram and on YouTube. And please, a quick shout out to Kapil, Parag, and the guys over at Cameras Africa for making this possible. Thank you so much, guys. It's a wrap from us, guys. Peace out.